Happy Monday, everyone. I'm glad you're with us at WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And we're talking a little bit more wintry weather ahead, looking, of course, out west first and then eventually into the midsection of the nation. But we had a record high down in Brownsville into the mid-80s for your Sunday. Some of those 70s and 60s leaking a little bit farther north, even seeing some of those 60s in the Ohio Valley out near Kentucky, and then a little bit of that cooler plunge of air through the high plains yesterday. And the core of that cold sitting back into Alaska there, interior Alaska, daytime highs only into the 20s and 30s below zero, which is quite cold. But again, here we are, the lower 48, above average by 10, 15, even close to 20 degrees, warmer than it should be today and yesterday. And out ahead of this cooler push air, we have some showers and have had some thunderstorms over the course of the weekend. Some of those strong to severe, heavy rainfall potential with that continued from early this morning and potentially still this afternoon. And once you get up into that colder air, you're talking some freezing rain and some heavier snowfall. Your best potential of heavy snowfall will be in the White and Green Mountains, maybe upwards of 6, 7, 8 inches, but also looking for the potential of some freezing rain early Monday. A little bit of light snow in the Midwest could be changing up quite a bit by, say, Wednesday night and into Thursday as a piece of this storm breaks off and heads that way. But first of all, we focus on areas out there where winter weather advisories, we have winter storm warnings, winter storm watches, even blizzard warnings in place, as several inches of snowfall and maybe even feet of snowfall for the highest elevations. If you're traveling this way, and especially in the passes, make sure you have that car kit. It's very important to let people know where you're traveling because it is a real potential that you could get stuck and maybe not even be seen for days. So do keep that in mind, especially if you're traveling over some of the passes. Precipitation amounts, liquid precipitation 2, 3, 4 plus inches, and then a 5-day snowfall potential where you're seeing these salmon colors into the highest elevations. That would indicate close to 1, 2, even better than 2 feet. Okay, and then as we head into the middle and end of this upcoming week, we have a little piece of that snowfall that'll be breaking off. Here's the ECMWF by Thursday evening. Notice on its northwestern flank, we have that heavy snowfall potential. And just like a couple of weeks ago, models were hinting at something developing that way, eventually trending off to the north and west. And I wouldn't doubt to see more of a northwesterly trend. In fact, the GFS midnight run is starting to show that potential of a little bit farther northwestern track. We'll keep you up to date. Things could certainly change. I do expect that to change up, but could be a little bit wild here by Wednesday night and Thursday for some folks out that way.